Hey guys, it's Tanaya. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I did my own crochet braids with passion twists and how I used this versatile type of braiding pattern so that it kind of looks like I did individual passion twists, but not really. So just stick with me. I'm going to show you guys how I braided my hair and you're going to see the whole install. Alright, so I'm just using some Eco Styler gel and I just made a part as if you're going to do box braids. I just made a little part, as you can see, and just plaited my hair down. You don't have to plait it all the way down, but just do a couple little stitches and then you make another part. It's kind of like you're doing box braids. Then you make another part, and what I'm going to do is just grab that first little box braid I did into that second section and then plait it down a little bit, and then you're going to repeat. So once I did that, you make that next section as if you're doing another box braid. You're going to start that cornrow and you're going to grab that little plait and pop it in there, and then you're going to plait it down like we did before, and then we're going to make another part like we're about to do another box braid. And then you're going to act like you're cornrowing that and grab the plait and add it in. So basically you're doing that and just repeating. I didn't do it all the way to the back, so see, I'm acting like I'm about to cornrow, then I'm grabbing that piece and adding it in. And at this point I was like, alright, I'm gonna just do this little method with the braiding for most of the front, and the back I really don't care. So I didn't do it all the way down. Some people will do it all the way down, and it kind of just gives you like that illusion of having multiple parts, you know, as if you were doing box braids or like the individual type of method. So you're just going to do this all over. Okay, I just wanted to do like a close-up for you guys. So basically I am grabbing that first little box that I plaited into the second box, plaiting that down a bit. Okay, you see that there. Now I'm just gonna part it again, make another little square part, and then I'm gonna act like I'm about to start cornrowing that part and then grab the other braid and just add it in. So hopefully I'm explaining it good so you guys can get a close-up visual, and then with me explaining it, it's really not that bad. So I'm making that other part. I'm gonna start to cornrow that part down and then just grab that other braid and swing it right on in, and that's pretty much it. So I kind of sped everything up. This is how my hair looks after I braided the whole thing, and I just took a needle and thread and just stitched my my ends of my braids to the other braids. I just sewed it down so that it can all be up, and then I can begin to actually crochet. So I am using the Naila Spring Twist hair, Naila Trust Spring Twist. I got this from my local beauty supply store. and we are going to begin to crochet. So if you've never crocheted before, don't be scared. You're going to need a crochet needle and the hair, and you're going to be set. So basically with that crochet hook, you're going to go underneath the braid, attach the hair, close the loop, and then pull it through. And with this braiding style, you're not just gonna crochet where the center of that square is. You're actually gonna crochet the braids, that little bridge. We kind of created a bridge in between each squared off part. You're gonna be crocheting that portion as well. You want to make sure you're covering the little bridge braid that goes in between each square, because you don't want that part to show. You just want an illusion of the fact that you probably have, like, you know, little squared parts so that it looks individual, but you have to make sure that you crochet those I want to call them bridge braids. So go back in and make sure that you get enough coverage on those parts of your hair. So I'm just putting that crochet hook underneath my braid, opening the loop, adding the twist to the crochet hook, and just pulling it through. And you want to put the end of that twist through the top loop of the crochet hair. So you guys are just going to see me do this a few more times. Of course it's sped up, but you're seeing me basically crochet it on and take the end of the twist and pull it through the top loop. And I'm just going to repeat that all over my head. Okay, so now you guys just see me crocheting the back of my head. It might be helpful if you can have somebody just check and make sure you don't have any like spots that you're missing, or just make sure that you don't have any of your cornrows exposed. But basically I'm just doing a touch and feel and just trying to follow my braids down so I can get as much coverage as possible. Okay, now I'm just taking that Eco Styler gel and I'm just laying down my baby hairs. This isn't my favorite edge control. My favorite edge control is the Murray's Edge Wax, but I cannot find it in my beauty supply store or at Walmart during this whole COVID-19, because this video was pre-recorded, but I still can't find it. But that edge control really lays down my baby hairs. This edge control only lays it down for a little bit of time, but I'm just going to do what I can do. And as you guys can see, this is basically the end result of the crochet of the spring twist, passion twist, whatever. These are actually called spring twists, but this is how long the hair is. I'll show you guys the back. I did end up cutting it off camera so it was more shoulder length, but I didn't take a picture. Sorry y'all. Guys, it's Tanaya. So here is the final results of my spring twist, my crochet spring twist. I never had twists in my life. I never did crochet twists or had like real twists, you know, Senegalese twists, and these are actually really cute. So 6 packs of the Janet collection spring twist. I had 3 packs in the color 1 and 3 packs in the color 2. I really can't tell the difference between the 2 colors. I don't know what's up with that, but yeah. So I used 6 packs. Now when I did the braided pattern really wasn't that hard to do. It was my first time doing it after watching another YouTuber show how to do like the invisible type of illusion method with this crochet. It wasn't that hard to do, but I do think I'm gonna call the beauty supply store and just get 2 more packs, because I just want to make sure the back is completely filled. I just feel like I was running low, like I was on my last pack or 2 and I still had to do a lot of the front. So I'm gonna get 2 more packs and I'm just gonna add some more just where I feel is necessary. But for right now, I really think I can like get away with it, especially because the top is up and more hair is kind of covering the back or whatever. So I kind of want to just get a little more of the back so I just feel good, you know. So I feel like, okay, everything's covered, everything's cool. So I'm probably just gonna wear my hair like this for work for the next couple days, and if I feel like I need to add whatever, I'm just gonna add. I'm gonna get 2 more packs. The packs were $8.99 at my beauty supply store, and I used 6 right now. I have 6 packs in. It's lightweight, which I like, and I just think it's gonna grow on me. I've never had twists, and these are like cute. So once I start to do like different styles, I think I'm gonna be like, okay, and like really start to do this style a little more. Because normally I just do box braids as like a protective style or a crown braid. So maybe I'll add this back in. The edge control that I use, because I don't think I showed it, I use Eco Styler gel, but my favorite edge control is the Murray's Edge Wax, but I ran out because that really holds my edges down, so I'm going to be getting that or whatever. And then of course you need your crochet hook, and that is pretty much it. This took me 2.5 hours. I started at 2 o'clock. It's 4:30 now. The longest part is the braiding pattern, and that's because I was trying out something new that I never did before. But you can also do that type of braiding pattern with rubber bands if you don't know how to plait or whatever, or you can just get somebody else to braid your hair. But other than that, it was like a really good experience. I saw this hairstyle on YouTube randomly, and I'm like, I need to do my hair. I don't feel like doing box braids because box braids take 8+ hours or whatever doing it myself. So let me do something that's a little quicker, that's different. And this hairstyle was cute. I really like it. I like the twist. It's like different and cute. Really summery. So yeah, make sure you comment on this video if you're gonna try this hairstyle or what you thought about it. Okay. And I'll see you next time. Before I forget about the braiding pattern. So I showed you guys what I did with the braiding pattern. I did the illusion to like the middle of my head, and then the back is like braided regular because I ain't feel like going all day, you know, parting with the boxes, doing my whole head. If y'all want to see a video with me doing it my whole head, or like a different, I may try another braiding pattern just to try it out, comment down below. But I just did mainly like the front part, so I went all the way to like the middle of my head here down or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure I included that in case anybody asked. But yeah, make sure to like and comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.